Do you want to know the 3 things that are holding you back from being as successful as a salon owner as you could be? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you all 3 and how you can manage them. Hey, it's Jason Everett from highperformancesalon.com, where we help you make more profit, take more time off, and create the team that you've always dreamt of. And here's the thing. I think there are lots of reasons why you can be unsuccessful as a business owner. Maybe you don't know how to manage money. Maybe you don't know how to market. There's a lot of different things that you probably need to get skilled up in inside your business, and that's what we do. We help people to learn how to be better business owners. But I think on a personal level, I think it boils down to 3 main areas that are probably tripping you up more than you give credit to, and they're the ones that most people don't talk about. So let's talk about those 3. Number 1 is, who do you look up to and who are you aspiring to be? Because I think there's a lot of this Instagram world of people being fake in front of you, meaning that they show you the best of their world and they don't show you the worst of their world. So you might be looking up to mentors and aspiring to be people that don't actually have it all together. They're spending their money like it's going out of style, they're getting crazy debt, and they don't have exactly the success that you think they do, but it looks like they do. And so you model things that they do, you model the spending habits, and you model what they're doing, and you go the wrong direction. So the way you handle that is you gotta upgrade your mentor game. You gotta find people who are running profitable salons, which is why we have our Profitable Salon Owner Facebook group, for you to find other people who are running profitable salons and start looking up to that type of business owner, not just the flashy one who's getting all the PR releases, because that's not the same thing. So number 1 is, how do you upgrade the people that you look up to and who you aspire to be? Number 2 is, you worry about what other people think. Do you know the older we get, the less we care about how other people see us, right? When you were 18, you really cared about how other people saw you. But as you get older, you start to care a little bit less. But as a business owner, that can be one of your greatest crutches. We end up wearing masks as business owners that say, hey, everything's fine. I've got it all together. I don't need any help. But in reality, there are areas in your business that could be anything from marketing to finance to hiring, or any of this laundry list of things you need to get better at. And if you can drop the mask and say you are good at everything and really humble yourself to say, here's what I need to learn, you will move forward faster than anybody else. The people that I don't see moving forward in their business is because they don't know what areas to look for that they need help in, because they're too busy telling everybody they've got it under control. So if you upgrade your ability to look at yourself and see yourself as actually having flaws that you need to work on, it will change everything. And number 3 is, how much do you genuinely, authentically at your core, how much do you actually believe in yourself? Now, I know that might seem silly. You might just think, well, Jason, didn't you just say I believe in myself too much? Well, I think deep down, even though you might have a facade that you believe in yourself so much, I would ask you this very simple question. How often do you talk trash to yourself? Like, I'm not good enough, I can't do this, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. How often are you negatively talking to yourself about what it is that you know? Do you know that most people spend 80 to 90% of their time talking poorly to themselves inside their own head, right? So they're beating themselves up and they feel defeated, and they're like, I'm never gonna find the right people. I'm never gonna have the business that I want. Why is this so difficult? Why is this hard? And so what I want you to do is, you actually have to rewire your brain to look for positive things. Like, what are the wins that you've had? And even if you can't come up with any right now, you gotta say, what have been some wins you've had recently in this last week that have turned around for you, or that have turned a corner so you can have more life left in you that you can give. The other thing is gratitude. Are you celebrating yourself and celebrating others? Because if you can build that momentum, build that positive self-talk, and build up some of that energy that will get you moving in a positive direction, it will drastically change your belief in yourself, and it'll start turning around your own success. So believe it or not, when you don't believe in yourself, your success goes down. When you start believing in yourself more, I don't mean like fake hype train here, I mean actually believing in yourself and celebrating the small things and saying, you know what, I have run a business for this many years. I do know what I'm talking about. I still need help, but I know the areas that I'm good at, and I know the areas that I'm weak at. And if you work on those 3 things, I promise you that your success level will start to go up. And if you want some help working on those 3 areas of success, that's what we specialize in at the Academy. So all you have to do is click on the link below this video, or find the link in the description and click on it, and we'll get you set up with somebody from our Salon Acceleration team who will actually help you figure out what are the areas you need to work on so you can improve and skill yourself up. Maybe find out what you're saying to yourself that's not getting in the right direction, or give you a mentor to look forward to that you can say, man, they're doing exactly what I want to be doing in the future, and I want to get myself there very soon. And I'd love to help you make that upgrade in your life. And if you like this video, do me a favor and comment with the word upgrade below, and we'll reach out to you, or click the link below and we'll get you on the phone with one of our team to help you move in the right direction. Until then, have a great week, and it was awesome helping you.